JMWE, or Jira Miscellaneous Workflow Extensions, has three major components: conditions, validators, and post functions. This video gives you a brief overview of the conditions component. To begin, click the conditions link. Click the Add Condition button to open the list of conditions. Select the User Condition, JMWE App option from the list displayed. Selecting this option helps you to check the currently logged-in user against specific criteria, such as belonging to a group, a project role, or a custom field containing users or groups. Click the Add button to open the User Condition page. In the Users to Check field, select the Current User option. This option checks that the user executing the transition matches the criteria of the condition. In this example, it prevents other users from transitioning the issue. In the Users Must Meet field, select all the criteria configured below. If you configure the condition to include multiple criteria, for example, that the user is both the assignee and is in a specific Jira group, this option requires that the user who executed the transition must be both the assignee and in the selected group. The option, at least one of the criteria configured below, means the user must be either the assignee or in the selected group. If needed, select the appropriate checkbox in the criteria section. Note that it is not mandatory to select an option here, and you can skip this section. Scroll down to the Advanced Options section and expand the Scripted Condition option. Click the Global Variables drop-down to select the User Account ID option under the Current User section. In this example, we want to compare the current user's account ID with the project lead account ID because only a project lead should be able to move an issue to the released status. Manually enter the double equal sign, which works as a comparison operator to check if the values match exactly. In the Issue Fields drop-down, select the project from the drop-down menu, and then select the Issue Project Lead option displayed in blue. And then, from the Data Types drop-down menu, select the Account ID option. Scroll down and click the Add button. Note that you will need to publish your workflow for these changes to take effect. While publishing the draft, you can choose to save a backup copy by selecting the Yes, No Radio button. As you can see, the project lead for this project is not the current user. When working with an issue, the transition past QA is not visible from the Status pull-down menu because the current user is not the project lead user. To summarize, conditions hide a transition in the user interface until the condition criteria are met. Using conditions can guarantee that issues cannot be moved through the workflow until it is appropriate.